I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken skewers. Easy method. Trim excess fat and cut chicken into even 1-inch pieces for consistent cooking. Then prepare a simple marinade of oil, acid, garlic, salt, and spices. Chop vegetables to match chicken size, thread evenly onto skewers, and preheat your grill or oven to medium-high for perfect sear and juicy results every time. Make a marinade with olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and smoked paprika to keep flavors bright and balanced. Mix a small batch and taste to adjust salt or acidity before adding chicken, then let the chicken soak up the flavors for at least 30 minutes or up to 8 hours for deeper taste. Reserve a little marinade for basting during cooking, warming it first to avoid raw chicken juices. Whether you grill or oven roast, aim for quick, high heat to caramelize the outside while keeping the inside juicy. Turn skewers every few minutes for even char and watch carefully to avoid flare-ups. Use a probe thermometer to confirm 165 degrees F internal temperature, remove from heat, and let rest briefly so juices redistribute. Then serve with fresh lemon, herbs, or a yogurt dipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.